Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get a visa to travel to Liechtenstein. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am a travel agent nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys. So guys, Liechtenstein does not have its own visa. And this information I'm showing you on its embassy in the Washington, USA. Okay. So you can see that they have clearly defined that Liechtenstein does not issue its own visa. That means they don't have this visa section. But there is no border control between Liechtenstein and Switzerland. That means same exceptions, same rules apply. So that means if you can travel to Switzerland, then you can travel to Liechtenstein. So that means if you really wanna apply, if you wanna go there, you need a Schengen visa in simple terms, because Switzerland is part of Schengen. So if you have a Schengen visa and you are authorized to travel to Switzerland, you can travel to Liechtenstein too. Of course, like there could be some what do you call? I mean, no, I don't have to describe to that minor points, but yeah, if you have this, you can travel. So that is how things works, guys. So let me know what to feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.